The informal settlement is the temporal structure. That's not a permanent structure. When we say it was a long time that we were there. This settlement, it was formed in 1987. Formal settlement in Site B are 48. The structures of 400 people. In Khayelitsha as a whole, we 312 settlement. We've got different, let's say, you see that's a Site B, Site C, Imakhaza, Nkanini, down to Green Park. I'm the community leader of UT Gardens. I'm coordinating Khayelitsha as a whole. When the people, they want something, and then we just go and look around what we are going to have them. The challenges that we have, it's not safe, especially the housebreaking. Even last month, this place is too dense. That is why we also have that device, this fire device. Because last month, this place it was burning with the other structure down there. But if we didn't have this thing, we will lose maybe 5 or more than 10 or the most of the structures. When is it a summertime, we've got this problem for the fire. This fire device, it was very helpful. This community is strong because when they want something, they just wake up. We are looking, there's no one that can and secure us. You look yourself, this area, it's not the, let's say maybe we can live or the human being that they can live, but we just live because the city, they say they don't have a land for us, so they don't have anywhere that we can go.